We checked out of Gaylord Palms and we are now checking into Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. You guys know this is one of our favorite family hotels in Orlando, and we're staying in a family suite this time, so it gives us a little bit more room to spread out. And the exciting news is Tim is done hanging out with his friends in West Virginia, so Tim is going to be joining us on this family adventure too. So we're really excited to see Tim and just enjoy some fun here at Cabana Bay Beach Resort with the whole family. We are in the family suite. What do you guys think?
It's big.
I love this suite.
It is big.
There's so much space.
This is... Oh, are you claiming that bed already?
No. Yeah, that looks cool.
Are those drawers? Oh yeah.
Wait,
They're like a little hidden gem. Hi, Tim. Oh, that's plastic. That's a little creepy at night. Wow. Don't do that at night. Mommy will have nightmares. Ooh, do you have bar stools that spin? What?
Wee.
It's the Cabana Bay ride. Whee!
I don't need Universal.
Arms
I
up.
just need this.
Whee!
I don't need Universal, I just need this.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
You guys know what time it is. Tim, take it away. It's room tour time. Headed to dinner at Universal CityWalk. We're going to a brand new restaurant that we have never been to before called Big Fire. And just for fun, we are going to take the Garden Walk, which is a trail that goes all the way from Cabana Bay to CityWalk. cheese, and then I also got crispy potatoes. Hunter got, what'd you get? Oh, she got short ribs with pasta. Kelly got the same thing. And then Tim got half chicken with roasted vegetables and smashed potatoes.
All we have left for the night is to walk back to Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Dinner was amazing. Hope you guys got some value out of the video. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Love you all.
Love you all.